I am Dr. Shefalika Verma from Delhi. My poem's title is Man and Nature. What should I say about my feelings? Whatever and whenever I have seen nature crying, when I was able to read the language of nature's eyes, but could not save the breaking breath of old Tehri, could not save the breaking breath of old Tehri. I have seen the hut of Sundarlal Bahuguna drawn in Tehri. But the flag was still flying. As soon as Tehri Dam is built, those high mountains ranges will be underwater along with. Bhairav temple, when King Sudarshan Shah's horse stayed in 1804. Tehri city was born then. When Tehri Dam was built, the defeated Bhagirathi was tried. When Tehri Dam was built, the defeated Bhagirathi was charred, deceptively sad. The river was like Bandhani woman of Bharat. A new Tehri village was established for the displaced, but there was neither radiance nor enthusiasm left on their face. Nature was defeated by men in the creation of a new creation. But think the day the dam broke due to the wrath of nature. India's civilization will be swept away. Along with Delhi. Then don't ask further. The shivering memories erupted with anger. Man-made Kosi barrage. Putting Kosi, the playful daughter of Himalayas, in prison between two embankments. No one again cared. Neglected as old parents. Corona is nothing. Being angry. Vilangana, Bhagirathi, Kosi will rise. No one will be alive. Being angry, Vilangana, Bhagirathi, Kosi will rise. No one will be alive. This is the nature, creation of man, new creation of man. This is the nature, new creation of the man. No one will be alive. Thank you.